Hello, everyone. My name is Thomas Doubelstein, and today I'm going to present you the inventory and barcode application. I am a functional consultant here at Odoo, and today we'll see how you can manage your stock with a barcode scanner. In the first time, I will explain all the necessary setup that you need to do to start using the barcode application in your company. And then in the second time, I will do a live demonstration in the database of some real use cases. All right, but first, why should you use the barcode application in your company? I think it's really the application that will boost the productivity of your employee and improve your inventory workflow. Meaning that you will be able to quickly move products in your inventory. You will easily encode and find products, serial numbers, and pickings. But also you will be able to use mobile devices to access Odoo almost anywhere in your warehouse. All right? Yes. Let's talk about the hardware that you need to put in place when you want to use the barcode application. For that, you have three main choices. The first one is a mobile computer scanner. So it's the more expensive option, but it's also the most flexible. So it's basically a mobile computer with scanner capacity. So you can install application in it because it has an operating system such as Android or Windows. And of course, you can access Odoo on this mobile device. It's really convenient because you can use this device anywhere in your stock, anywhere in your inventory, as long as you have good enough Wi-Fi coverage. The second option that we have available is a Bluetooth scanner paired with a local computer or a tablet. It's a less expensive feature. It's a less expensive option, but it is also less flexible because you have to keep the proximity of a tablet or a computer to do your operation. And finally, we have the regular USB scanner paired with a local desktop. All right, so let's talk about the setup. The setup of the barcode application is really easy. It's only 3 easy steps, and you are good to go. So it's an out-of-the-box setup, and I will show you directly on a database how to do that setup. All right. So the first step is to enable the barcode module in the setting application. So you are on your database. You can go on the setting application. You choose the barcode app. And you can see here that I have the barcode scanner module. In my case, I have already ticked the box. But when it's the first time that you install the module, you will see the new icon here on your main menu that will appear. All right? So that's the first step. The second step is to add barcodes to your products and print the product label. Let's see how to do that. So to do that, I go back to the Settings app. And here I have the option to configure my product barcodes. When I go inside this window, I can see that I have the list of all my products that are configured in my database. So in my example here, I decided to sell work furniture, such as a desk, a chair, and some screws. So you can see that for each product here, you can configure a barcode. So it's super easy. I can just type my barcode right here, and I can save. Once I have configured a barcode for each of my products, I can print the list of my products. So I print the product label. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so here I have all my product label. Then I can go dispatch into my inventory and put the label in front of the product. So that's the second point. And the last point I want to do to set up the barcode application is to print the barcode commands that will enable me to navigate through the different menus. All right. So what I want to do is print the location barcode. So these are my main location that I have configured in my database. So you can see that I have a stock location, which is going to be my main location. And then after that, I have created 3 sub-locations: location 1, location 2, and location 3. All right, so we'll go ahead and print the location barcode right here. And finally, the last thing I want to print is the operation type. So here I have my list of operations, which are the operations that I can currently do inside my stock. So I go ahead and print that list as well. All right, so I have everything. And I have printed everything here, so it's easier for this demonstration. All righty. All right, so as you can see, the setup is pretty easy. It's 3 easy steps, and I'm already ready to use the barcode application in my database. So now let's do some use cases to demonstrate how the barcode application can help you manage your inventory workflow in your own company. The first thing I want to show you is how to manage daily operation, such as a reception and a delivery. So for that, let's switch back into the database. All right, so I have just started my company, and I have created some products that I want to sell to my customers. So the first thing that I want to do is to actually buy some of these products to add some quantity in my stock. Then I will be able to sell this product to my customer. So the first thing I want to do here is go to the purchase application, and I will create some purchase order. I've already created 2 purchase orders to add some quantity into my stock. So let's see this purchase order. I have a first purchase order for the screw. You can see here I have 100 quantity. And I have a second purchase order for a chair and the desk. I also have a reception that is linked to this purchase order. So let's go ahead and see the picking orders. So this is the picking orders, and this is what I want to reception in my stock. And for these picking orders, I will print the picking operation. Okay, so here I have the picking operation right here. And now let's see how we can actually process the reception into my stock. So to do that, let's switch to the mobile view. That gives you an idea of what the actual mobile interface looks like when you use it on a mobile computer scanner. For this presentation, though, I will use a regular scanner, but it works in a similar fashion. All right, so I want to do my reception of the product I just purchased. So I go to the barcode application right here. From this window, I can either scan an operation type, scan a location, scan a document, or open my list of operations. So remember, I had printed my picking orders right here. So what I want to do here is to simply scan the barcode that is on my picking orders. So I scanned my barcodes, and you can see that the barcode application automatically opened the related picking. So all right, you can see that here I have my 5 chairs and my 3 desks. Also on the picking on the document, you have the product barcode right here. So what I can do, I can simply scan the product barcode, and you can see that it automatically increments the product on the picking. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing for the desk. All right. So I have all my products, and I can validate my first picking orders. So you can see success, the transfer has been validated. So I also had another purchase order. So to retrieve this purchase order, the second way to do that is to go to the list of operation. So you are still in your inventory from the mobile interface, and you can click on the operation button here. What I see here is a list of my operation type. So you can see I have some reception, internal transfer, and delivery orders. In this case, the system is telling me that I have one reception that needs to be processed. So let's go ahead and click on the process button. And you can see that here, this picking is my purchase order for the screw. All right, so what I can do here is take the product label that I have printed earlier, and I can go ahead and scan my 100 screw. Of course, I'm not going to do that here because it's going to take a lot of time. So what I can do here as well, I can manually edit the quantity and add the 100 quantity to my picking. I can confirm and validate my reception. All right. So this is great. So let's switch back to the desktop view. So this is great. I have bought some products, so I now have some quantity in my stock. So of course, what I want to do now is to actually sell this product to my customers. So what I do, I will create a sale order from the sale application right here. I have already created it in advance, so I can open it, and you can see that I have decided to sell 1 chair, a desk, and 5 screws to an happy customer. And Odoo already created a delivery order for this sale order. The thing here that you can see, the picking orders, the delivery orders, is currently at the waiting stage. The reason for that is because when I created this sale order, I didn't have any quantity in stock. So the system wasn't able to automatically reserve some quantity. But now that I have some quantity in my stock, I can go ahead and check the availability. All right? And you can see that Odoo automatically reserved some of my product. And also the status of this document has been changed from waiting to ready. And that means that now I can go ahead in my inventory and deliver the product. All right, so let's go back to the mobile view and open the Barcode application, go to the operation, and you can see that in my delivery orders, I have one item that needs to be processed. All right, so here is my, my picking orders. I have 1 chair, 1 desk, 1 screw. So what I'm going to do here is to go pick the product in my stock, in my inventory. And as I'm picking the product in its location, I will also scan the barcode. So I have 1 chair, I have 1 desk, and I have 5 screws. All right? I can go ahead and validate the picking. And just like that, I have made some of my daily operation super easy. Okay, so time has passed. I've bought some product. I've made some sale order. But now what I want to do is to actually check if the quantity that I have in stock are matching the quantity that Odoo tells me that I have in stock. So if the real quantity are matching the theoretical quantity that I have in the system. So what I want to do here is to do the second use case, which is to do an inventory adjustment. So to do that, I'm still on my Barcode application, and I'm still on my inventory using my mobile computer. and I can click on the inventory adjustment button. You can see here that the system prompts me to scan the source location, so the location on which I want to do my inventory adjustment. And remember, I printed the barcode for the location, so I can simply scan the source location. So here it's quite easy because all my products are in my main stock. So I scan the source location, and then I go into my inventory and I go do the inventory adjustment. So I'll go count each of my products. All right, so let's say that I have 5 chairs. So I will print the chair 5 times. And here, Odoo tells me that I have 4 theoretical quantity. So the system thinks that I have 4 quantity, but I decided that I had 5 real quantity. I will do the same thing for the desk. And I will do the same thing for the screw. And actually here, I will go ahead and edit the quantity manually. All right. And I can validate. So it's super easy. Just like that, you've made some daily operation, and you have made your first inventory adjustment. But now what I want to do is to organize my stock a little bit better. And I want to send my different products to different locations. So remember when I showed you the list of my location, I had created 3 sub-locations, location 1, location 2, and location 3. And what I want to do here is to send each of my products to a specific location. So again, in the barcode application, I can scan my operation type. Here it's an internal transfer. I scan my operation type, and Odoo asks me to scan the source location. In this case, all my products are in the main stock location. I scan the stock location. Then I need to scan the product that I want to move to another location. I scan the chair, and I want to move 5 chairs to my location 1, which is going to be the location for my chair. All right. And I can repeat the process for my other product. So I scan the source location. I scan the product. I scan the destination, the location that I want to send it. And again, source location. Scan my product. And the source the destination location. All right, and I can validate my transfer. And the transfer has been validated by the system. So let's see how it looks like from the desktop view. You can see that I have my 5 units on hand for the chair and the desk, and my 95 units on hand for the screw. So it matches with the internal adjustment that I've just made. And then see where are my chair located into my inventory. And you can see that my chair are in the location 1. My desk are in location 2. And my screw are in my location 3. So it's pretty easy. Of course, there are way more use cases that you can think of with the barcode application. But here I showed you the 3 most used use cases. All right, so to conclude, so you've seen that the setup is really easy for the barcode application. It's only 3 easy steps. It's an out-of-the-box setup. It's a powerful tool to manage your inventory operations. It also has a mobile-friendly user interface, so you can use it anywhere in your warehouse. It also works, I didn't show that in this presentation specifically, but it also works with serial numbers, lot trackings, and complex multi-steps route. And of course, it is integrated with all other Odoo applications. Thank you very much.